Hello everyone, this is daily roundup for Money Squared YouTube channel. We suggest you to watch with 1.5x, so we go and we check what happened on our daily forecast, what we expected. So basically we were expecting this support to be broken right here. We close above and then we can move down because we have this. We will tap this area here. So we go on the 1 hour. What was this? Yeah, it was on the 1 hour. So price was here when we made the forecast, right over here, and then we came, but with news this happened. I didn't take any trade because this was basically because of the news here, and we came back, we broke this support, we just melted down. But this is like 1 minute. If you go on the 1 minute time frame, you can see that this happened all in 1 minute because of the NFP, non-farm payroll, which moved gold down, and then we start to reject and then come up and correct this whole move that we made on NFP. Let's go and check how monthly just open up. Weekly just tapped again this resistance, moved like daily, made a wick, and then come back above. So this is a perfect example. If we break above this high here, we can just keep going up. Where we can go up, it's very tricky because you have all these rejections here, so we don't know exactly where we can reject. But if we break this high here, we can come up. If we don't break, we can fill this whole wick on the daily. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour we came back, we retested this previous resistance, now we confirmed the support, so we are again in this range that was in the 1 hour. We are inside this range, we close inside this range. So for the next week we need to check how we gonna move, but this week closed very bullish, so yeah, we need to break this highs to move up. Let's go now. Yeah, this is what we could have. Now we check this. After this candle we could have entered here with stop loss 28 pips and take profit 50 pips, which moved to 75 pips. We can also add the buy here after we reject this, but it was very tricky. Or also here after we break these highs with 30 pips and 100 pip take profit. But it's like it was very tricky to trade this because it was also late, and after this whole move it was tricky. But you can take this as a range. We broke above the range, we then broke below the range, we break above, and then just corrected this whole move. Now we go on the daily forecast video and see GJ, what we were expecting on GJ.
Last thing I'm gonna do is trade counter trend trades. So we created a new low here. What we will expect for GJ is,
as you can see here, there is markup, so you can go and check only the trades,
come back from resistance,
trade setups.
low or break below here, and then just keep going to this level here. Next support on GJ is right over there and right over here. So filling this wick on GJ and then coming back down is amazing. If we break this, we have a clean traffic to the left hand side, which we can also mirror right over here if we break this. But if we close below this level, we will fill this whole wick, even though it's very risky. However, what I would prefer is price to move up somewhere and form some sort of resistance. Move up, maybe here we will form resistance, maybe here we will form resistance, maybe here, I don't care. I just want some resistance to form to take sells with confirmations based on this trading plan. Like this we have this not like this.
So let's go on GJ and check what happened on GJ. Basically the trade where we said that we made the video was right over here somewhere. Yeah, let's go in the 1 hour maybe. Did we go on the 1 hour time frame or no? No, we just stay on the 4 hour, but basically 4 hour was right over here somewhere, just here. And then we came back up as expected and we formed some resistance to retest the low. That happened very late in the day. As you can see, this is this candle here, this big bearish candle engulfing these two candles, is our confirmation of the resistance found. And then, but this is too big, this stop loss to take, and it was also like 7 p.m. so it was very late on a Friday. But we can see that broke above this level here. We came back. After breaking this high, should be good to go up, or after this candle here, breaking the high, stop loss, close here and then break above, or also after this candle here we print a bearish candle. As soon as we break the high, we move up. But yeah, it was tricky because it was NFP, it was Friday. I was not psychologically ready to take any trade, but could have entered here, could have entered here, could have entered here, and yeah, this is what happened basically. Now let's go on the monthly. Let's see, monthly starting previous month bearish, this monthly has bearish, weekly clearly rejected that area. On a daily we closed bearish, but we still haven't broke this support here. We need to break this support to come back down. We're just making higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we made here an equal low, but we need to break this above and take sells in this whole region, and probably then we have, if we break this region here, we have this clean traffic which we can mirror on a daily time frame. We can go quickly one more time on the 4 hour to check it. What can happen here on the 4 hour is like basically something like this. We're continuously making lower lows, lower highs. We need to break this lows here to keep going up, to keep going down. If not, we need to break this resistance here to keep going down, or more importantly this here, and then to retest this area to go up. But to go up is very tricky. It's very tricky. Let's go on the weekly. Weekly can make a wick. Broke weekly lows, can come next week, make a wick, and then move down. So next week is gonna be a bit tricky. Also, it's December. Volume usually in December, based on other traders, it gets a bit low. But now there are more uncertainties on the market, so we can have some volumes. But this was it for the daily roundup for Money Squared YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, and follow the channel for more updates on daily updates for pound, yen and gold. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel.